This AI automation will boost your LinkedIn in just 1 month. From absolute zero, you'll start getting leads, contacts, and job offers on autopilot. And yeah, you can grab this automation right now for free. Links in the description. Here is how it works. We just drop in a single idea, a topic we want to post about. The AI agent automatically creates 10 great post ideas. Then it pushes them into a Notion database and fills it in automatically. Look, all the post ideas are already right here. Now it gets really interesting. Each idea also gets duplicated as a full Notion content page. That's so we can attach images properly. I want my own photo in the post. All I need to do is drop my photo next to the idea, right inside the Notion page. You can use any image you want for your post. Next, you choose the post date yourself. Wanna post daily? Go for it. Or maybe just 2-3 times a week. This automation gives you that flexibility. Here is where the magic starts. A second AI automation will run every day and publish your posts. It grabs today's post from Notion. Then it pulls the content from that idea page. The AI writes a catchy LinkedIn post for you. At the same time, it grabs the image and gets it ready to post. Then it updates the database and sets the status to done in Notion. That's the exact moment when the post goes live on LinkedIn. I'll show you how to connect it a bit later. Stay tuned. As you can see, Notion already set the status to done and the content is added. Let's zoom in, and here is your LinkedIn post ready to go. You can tweak the prompt to match your voice and make your post truly unique and stand out. Now I'll show you how to build these automations step by step. You'll get it, I promise. I'm Max Evans, an engineering manager at a big international company. I've been deep in AI for years, and on this channel I share only the best AI solutions. If you want to grow fast in AI, hit subscribe. Part 1 of our AI automation generating post ideas. We start with a chat trigger. Could be Telegram, WhatsApp, webhook, website chat, whatever you want. Just make sure it has a unique chat ID and message input. Next comes the AI agent. Its job is to write post ideas. I've built a killer prompt into it. Then we use split out to break the array into separate items and loop through them, so each one can be added to Notion. First, you need to set up a Notion integration. Google Notion integrations, create one in your account, grant all permissions, and you'll see a page with your integration info. Just copy the secret key for your integration. Then open the Notion node. Create it from scratch. Go to credentials. Paste your secret key here. Click save and boom, your integration is now connected. Congrats, this was a key step. Now create a Notion database in one of your folders. Name it anything you want, but make sure it has these fields: name, text, where the AI will drop the idea title, date, the post published date, content for the final post text, status, it should be status format to track what's been posted. Next step, connect the integration. Click the 3 dots on the top right, choose connections and select your integration. Let's build it step by step. Start with a chat message received trigger, so the flow kicks off when you send a message. Now create the AI agent. I called mine create ideas because that's exactly what it does. We pass in the message from the previous node. Make sure you turn on require specific output format because we want the result as an array. Use add options to add a system message. This is where you define a strong prompt. Mine is fully focused on LinkedIn post ideas. Use mine or write your own. Mine is included in the free template, link below. Now the structured output parser is super important. Open it and here you define the exact JSON structure you want back. So whatever format you want in the AI response, write it here. For the model, I use OpenAI API. Get your API key, paste it in, and you're good to go. Right now I use the GPT-4o mini, but you can use any that fits. Next up is split out. Super simple, it splits the array of ideas into individual items, so we can loop through and send each to Notion. Now we push the ideas into Notion. Select the Notion node you connect. Choose database page as the resource. Operation, create. Pick your database. In my case, it's called LinkedIn Post Database. Then title, the idea text. Content, also the idea in a paragraph format. This way the idea shows up in both the title and the body. Why do I do that? So we have the idea as both a title and content body, because that's where we'll pull it from later. Plus, we can attach post images right here. And that's it. This part of AI agent is done. Now we've got ideas added to Notion. We can set post dates, attach images, and everything ready for posting. Let's move to the second agent. I'm using a manual trigger button for now, but in production use a schedule trigger, like every morning at 10 a.m. First node, get to this post. Use operation get many, choose your Notion database, set a filter, property, date, condition equals, and insert today's date, exact format shown on the screen. On the right side, you'll see we've pulled today's post. Now we can move forward. Next node, get content from that post page. Each idea has its own Notion card. We're gonna extract content and image from it. Use resource block, operation get child blocks, pass in the block URL, return all true. Now we get both the post text and image URL. We are literally grabbing the content and image from this Notion page right here. And on the top right, you can see we've got image URL, post content text. This text is what will turn into the LinkedIn post. Now we split the flow into two branches: generate content and download image. The image branch gets the image in data format for LinkedIn upload. Let's start with the content. It's a standard AI request: resource, text, operation, message model, pass in the system prompt plus user prompt, send in the idea text. Here's my prompt, super detailed. You can tweak or improve it, but make sure it's strong, because this is where your AI agent writes the actual LinkedIn post. And boom, here on the right, you see the result. AI just wrote a solid post. At the same time, the image is processed. We trigger an HTTP request node to download the image as a raw data, so it's ready for LinkedIn. Then I merge the two branches. Now we've got the text and image combined. In the node called add final content, we choose database page, operation update, select the right page, and set the content property to the final post. That's the point where the post gets pushed to LinkedIn. I'll show you how to set that up in a sec. Next node, set post status to done. Again, the operation update, set status to done in the page properties. That's it. This post is now marked as published. Now let's talk about publishing to LinkedIn. Go to developer.linkedin.com, click create app. Make your LinkedIn app, takes a minute. Then create a LinkedIn node, set your credentials. From your LinkedIn app, copy the client ID and client secret, paste them in here. Turn off organization support and legacy. Set the redirect URL inside your LinkedIn app. Done, you're connected. To publish the post, resource should be post, operation create, post as a person, insert post text, set media category image, upload image in data format. And just like that, you've got a full AI agent that runs your LinkedIn and generates content. So go try it now. Grab the template in the description. I'm Max Evans. Subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and ask any questions in the comments. Let me know what you think of this format. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.